Okay, so guys, today we're gonna solve the yeet ball. So guys, this is how to solve the yeet ball. So a yeet ball is basically like the ivy cube, but it's circled instead of rectangular. No, I meant squared. So it's kind of similar to the ivy cube, so you might be familiar with that. But guys, this is how to solve it. So first, I'm just gonna scramble it. Yup, now we scrambled it. But then where do you even start? So first you're gonna start the right side, because the right side is the easiest. So this is how to do it. You put this thing over here. So you do this. Yep. And then how do you put this thing over here? So do the same thing. This. Oh, and in case if you get this thing, you just do this to make sure it's in the right spot. Now this, and you solve the blue side, the yellow side, and the green side. And then guys, you have to put this two orange things over here. So you just do this. So you just do right down OD U. No. Oh, I'm sorry. Up. So you just now completed solving the yeet ball. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's video. And guys, I will see you next video, and subscribe for more how-to videos. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye!